difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get past the awkward stage and style your hair effortlessly during the awkward stage of growing your hair out. And okay, so I haven't got a haircut since November 2019 and now it is June 2020, so it's 7.5 months and it's going to be 8 months since I've gotten a haircut, and during that period of time, awkward. I've gone through many awkward stages, yet no one has noticed it because it's so simple to hide it, and you can effortlessly style your hair as if there was no awkward stage at all. And today I'm going to share that secret with you guys. If that sounds interesting, let's just hop right into this video. This is how my hair looks after drying out. So if you guys don't know what my hairstyling process is I just simply shampoo, condition, apply hair oil and leave it to dry. So that's my hair oil technique. I made a couple of videos on that. So here's my hair, after my hair drying up. So you guys see, like, my hair is pretty long. It comes below my Adam's apple. So what I do is I start off with a complete slick back. Like, even your side should be slick, the front should be slick, everything just pushed back. Now I'm just like playing around with my hair, doing the curtains hairstyle, and then just messing around with it. So that's how I style my hair during the awkward stage. I just simply start off with a slick back look, and I just push my hair to the opposite side, then bring it back to the normal side, achieve volume. I've told you about that in the hair volume technique. And my favorite hairstyle, the side sweep hairstyle. You can see my hair is super long and I haven't got it cut since 8 months. But does it look like I desperately need a haircut? No. But does it look like I haven't gotten a haircut since a long time? Yes. I haven't gotten a haircut since 8 months, but it doesn't look like I desperately need a haircut. My hair looks under control, super good, nice, neat, and yeah, no split ends, just a crazy back attack, which once the salon's open, I'll just trim the back of my hair because it's grown out too long, the back of my hair, but the front is super beautiful. And that's how I style my hair during the awkward stage, and I'm just playing around, bringing a strand of my hair in front, and there you go, super sexy hairstyle complete. I hope you guys found this video super helpful, because I'm sure this will help a ton of people who are trying to grow their hair out and are getting frustrated during the awkward stage, but I've got it handled for you. So follow all these steps and you are good to go. Okay, so like this video, subscribe if you want more of such content, and comment down below, are you in awkward stage or not? I'm running out of ideas for topic of discussion, so let me know if you are in an awkward stage currently or not. So yeah, and follow my Instagram, which is @maximus_arana, and that's it for today's video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.
So